Alright, so I was just going to cover the 3 different progressions I heard in this song. So the intro was a G chord, so you just set your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, index finger on the 2nd fret of the high E. So you're going to pluck with your thumb on the low E, index on G, middle B, ring on high E. Alright, then we're going to go. So what that is, set index finger 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret of the B, and I use index finger to pluck G, and then middle finger and ring finger pluck simultaneously the B and the high E. So you've got then you're going to let off with your index so that G is open, ring finger stays where it is. Alright, so what I'm doing there is, again, 2 plucks on the G, middle and ring finger pluck B and high E simultaneously. Then you pluck singularly the B, and then you walk down to the 2nd fret of the B. I like to use index finger there because you got to stretch over to here for the next note. Ring finger 4th fret of D. Alright, then you're going to pluck that twice, 4th fret of D. And again, index finger should still be there on that 2nd fret of the B. You're plucking B and high E simultaneously. Then singularly B and open B. So you've got and then the next progression is the verse. So what I'm doing there is just a full G chord, so middle finger 3rd fret of low E, index finger 2nd fret of A, ring finger 3rd fret of B, which is where it's going to stay for the whole time, and then pinky 3rd fret of high E. This is a very just sort of simplified strum pattern. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. A little slower. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Alright. Then you're going to go to a B minor, and what I'm doing for the B minor is playing an alternative way to play it. So you just take your middle finger down here to 2nd fret of the G, alright, and then don't focus on the low E now. You want to kind of mute out the low E, maybe with the top of your index finger. So this chord, index finger 2nd fret of the A, where it was on the G, middle finger 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret of the B. Those 2 chords. Alright, now you're going to just hop your middle finger up 1 string, so middle finger hops up to 2nd fret of the G, so this gives you an E minor 7. Then you're going to go to a D2, index finger jumps down to 2nd fret of the G. So all together. And that goes on for a little while, and then you'll hear what I think is like maybe the chorus. So it again starts on G, goes up to that D2, the E minor 7, back to the D2.